Welcome to the City of Milpitas 2021 Virtual Memorial Day event. I'm Liliana Ramos, Chair of the Milpitas Veterans Commission, a veteran myself, having retired as a Chief Master Sergeant in the Air National Guard, United States Air Force. I'm so pleased that you have joined us virtually today on Memorial Day or whenever you're watching this online. Although we are unable to host a large public gathering this year due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the Veterans Commission is committed to honoring Milpitas heroes in a fitting manner, as close to our traditional in-person ceremony as possible. So we begin, as we have so often in the past, with a presentation of the colors by the 4th degree Knights of Columbus, St. Joseph Assembly 2246, and the national anthem performed by Milpitas residents Paula Huss. Paula sings with the Mount Olive Lutheran Church and has performed the anthem for minor league and college baseball games, as well as the Navy Ball and the Navy Change of Command ceremony.
Raise flag. Half mast. And salute. Ready? 2.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars